Hello again, and welcome to Proceeding Onward in America. As Becky would say, POA.
POA!
Well, last time in Detroit, we told you about our little sewer problem. Now we got a major sewer problem. It only popped off these tops, which I end up duct taping, as you see. But it kind of worked, kind of didn't. And then next thing you know, we end up in Buffalo right after our Canada trip. Canada. To go try out this fancy, very first place where you get some hot wings. So, as we parked the camper in Wendy's and we finished, I come out and this pops off as soon as we hit the ramp. And it completely falls off. So we had to stop in the middle of the traffic. Becky ran out the car, ran over, picked it up, tossed it in the back of the truck, and then ran back in as we drove off to our next destination. And as we are here, I am going to try to fix it because I'm getting tired of we hitting these things so low. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to install it up here instead. That way it's out of everybody's way. It's give us some more clearance underneath and we won't have to have this problem again. But as for this one, we might be buying another one because the doors don't even work no more, so there's no use of having this. So I'm gonna still mount something here and then mount something on the other side so that we can transfer them both, and then as soon as we buy a new one of these, it will be easy to put in. Now what I'm doing for that is I'm going to take this plate, I'm going to screw it on there, bolt it down, but I'm going to put this underneath it and basically create that. And as this is going to be screwed in there and holding this together, I can tighten this, stick the next holes in there, and use this to tighten it up here. So I'm going to put one here, I'm going to put one here, and I'm going to do the same thing on the next side for the next one. That way we don't have this problem ever again. So stay with me, but this is just going to be another repair job along the way. No more scraping our sewage. Now as you see, I screwed the plate down and put this in between. I just stick the thing in there and tighten this up, and this will lock it in place. So I'm going to do another one there and then two more along the rail to also keep that one up. Okay, got halfway there. As you see, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. And now I'm gonna just go and put the hose underneath it. Okay, welcome back. This is pretty much what I'm talking about. So basically what I did was I just strapped these to the top of the bumper instead of underneath the bumper, because now they don't bother our clearance anymore. But what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna still keep this pipe and still keep our sewer hose in it. We're just gonna run over to Home Depot and see if we can find a PVC pipe cover that we can stick inside there and close it off on both ends, and that will be cheaper than buying a brand new one, basically. And everything should be all willy-dilly, and no more leaks. So thank you for coming along. Well, it turns out Home Depot didn't have what I was looking for sewer caps, so I brought these 6-inch screws with these wing nuts and just drilled a hole inside the plastic, stuck the screw in, as you see here, on both ends, as just locked it in with a wing nut. And when I want it, I just unscrew the wing nut, pull out the screw from here, and I'll have access to my hose. Well, thank you for coming along with me and helping me fix my sewer holder. Now this would no longer hit the ground no matter what level they're at, so everything would work out perfectly. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying spending time with me as I fix this problem. I do hope you keep following us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget to become a Patreon member as well and help us create more videos like this, as well as our Amazon affiliate page. Shop with us and help us out. Every little bit helps. Thank you once again. Until next time, bye.